Adding a glow effect in Blender after the 4.2 version might be tricky, and you might think, since Eevee Bloom is gone, you just switch to cycles, but it's the same. No glow effect. So what can you do? See if you go to this arrow for the viewport shading and switch the compositing to always. This will make the work in the compositor update in real time, so we can open it on the side, enable the Use Nodes checkbox, then from the Add menu, go to Filters and choose Glare. Dropping the glare node on the line between the render layer and the composite node will enable the glare effect, and after that, you can choose any type including the bloom we use to have. Then, with couple of tweaks on the threshold and the mix value, we can do a great glow effect on this object to take it to the next level, 'cause it's a bit boring without the bloom, and that will work for you on both render engines. You can up that with a lens distortion node, enable the projector, and get yourself a nice fancy dispersion effect just to show off. That's it. Have fun. Goodbye.